So today our international representation is with us at the Aquila stand. Let me introduce you to Javier for the Spanish market.
Yes, hello, good morning. It's a pleasure to be, thank you, Ivan, in Miami Boat Show. Yeah, we are located in Barcelona. We are a very happy distributors of Aquila. Spain is a very appropriate place for having, especially the small ones, 32 and 36, in islands like Ibiza, Mallorca, Menorca, Balearic Islands, which is a perfect place to enjoy that kind of boats.
Good morning, this is David from Aquila in Portugal. Bom dia. Very happy to be here with all of them. Thanks for Aquila. Try to push to help that Catamarans market grow up more.
Hello, hi, Angela from Greece. The Aquila product is extremely appropriate and very successful for the Greek market, the Greek islands, especially your larger catamarans for charter. The Aquila 54 is ideal for Greece, Santorini, all of the islands locations, and the smaller ones. So we're very excited to be representing Aquila, and we look forward to more growth.
So let me introduce you to two of our oldest dealership, Lee from Australia, from Whitehaven. Talk to us about Aquila in the Australian market.
Yeah, well, we're really proud to represent the Aquila market in Australia, which has been present now for nearly 5 years, and the expanding range from MarineMax and Aquila has been really great to see. The 54 in particular has been very good to us in Australia, and we're really excited about the next couple of years.
Hello, my name is Alex. We're dealers from Mexico. We've been in Aquila for 4 years. It's gonna be 5 years now, just like you. We're really excited about the brand. We started with 36, and it's been a great product. We have 1/5 the brand, the support, the changes, everything that's coming up is great. We're really proud to work with them, and we're looking to the future. Thank you.